In this video, I will show you how to get your MetaQuotes ID from your phone and enable push notification on MT4. This setup also works for MT5 in case if you're using MT5. Push notifications allow MT4 to send alerts straight to your mobile device, which means you don't have to be in front of your computer watching the chat all day. This is useful for price alerts and trade execution, indicator alert, and expert advisors in case you're using EA for your trading. First, you need MT4 installed on your phone. MT4 desktop, the desktop version, cannot communicate with your phone without that MetaQuotes ID. So we need that ID. If you don't have MetaQuotes or MT4 on your phone already, head over to your Play Store or App Store, depending on the device you're using. Search for MT4 and install it. Once the installation is complete and you open it and log into your broker's account, once you do that, the next thing is for us to get the ID from the app. But make sure that notification is enabled on your device for that app. On the app, click Settings, locate Settings on your app, click it. Once you click it, this page will be open. When this window is open on your phone, navigate to where you have Chat and Messages. Click on Chat and Messages. Then the new window that will be open or page that will be open, this is where we can access your MetaQuotes ID as it is written here, my MetaQuotes ID. So simply copy this out or type it somewhere or write it down somewhere or copy it. We'll be using this ID to finish up with the setup. Head over to your PC. Then on your MT4 on your PC, you go to Tools. Here, you go to Tools. Under the Tools, you choose Options. Then Notification tabs. Under the Options, Notification tabs. If these two are not enabled, enable them. Enable push notification and notify of trade transactions. Then the ID that you've copied, this is where you type it in. You type it in here, then you click Test. Once you click Test, you should be able to get notification on your phone. If everything is accurately done, you should be able to get notification on your phone. So let me know in the comment section if you follow through with these steps and you got your notification. But there's one thing important that you need to know. This ID should be kept private. You shouldn't reveal this ID to anyone. It's very, very important. But if there's someone got a hold of it and decide to act funny with this ID, don't worry about it. You just simply uninstall the MT4 on your phone and reinstall it again. You always get a fresh ID or a new ID from every new installation. So that shouldn't bother you at all. If this test didn't work instantly, make sure notification is enabled on your phone. Most of the problem or the issue that comes from this setup usually has to do with notification on the mobile phone. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.